Hey, Mud. Hey, Candy. Staying dry in there? Huh? With your buddy Picasso? Bah. Oh yeah, it's always better to stand in the tub. Picasso! Hi! How's your grub? Staying dry? Hello, Mr. Potter. Over here we have two very wet alpacas. Hi, Harry. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I know. The top blew off their shelter. How about you, Mr. Weasley? Enjoying your breakfast? Yeah. Sorry about the roof on your house. This is a miniature mule, a Class A miniature mule, which means he's less than 36 inches at the shoulder. Well, hi, I do see you. And this is Candy, our $20 rescue goat, who likes to stand in the food bowl. Yep. Hi, Candy. Hey, you ready for your close-up? Yeah. Yeah, is it a wet day here in Carlsbad? Yeah. Oh, you're very lovely. Okay. All right.